Salam Namaste. Good morning, all of you. My dear 5th class students, today discuss about maps and roads from your course book, volume 1, page number 62. Page number 62. See, this is. Now here, according to the given picture, so answer the following questions. First one, how many floors how many floors does this restaurant have? How many floors does this restaurant building have? See, this is the given picture. In it, the restaurant have 2 floors. Then you can write answer. The restaurant building have 2 floors. Write down everybody. Now next, second one is, how many benches are placed around the swimming pool? So this is swimming pool. Now beside of the restaurant, you can count number of benches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. See here, write down how many benches are placed around the swimming pool. See here, there are, answer write down. There are 18 benches are placed around the swimming pool. Write down everybody. Now next, third question. Where is the swimming pool located? Third one. Where is the swimming pool located? Answer, where is, find out. The swimming pool located adjacent of food court. The swimming pool located adjacent of food court. Restaurant beta. Adjacent of restaurant. Now fourth one. How many trees are there between the restaurant and the swimming pool? How many trees beta? 4 trees. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are, first question right? How many trees are there between the restaurant and the swimming pool? See here, answer, write down. There are 4 trees between the restaurant and the swimming pool. Write down everybody. Now you can observe next picture. So fill in the blanks. Next picture. Now here fountain is there, swimming pool also there. So some of the vehicles okay are there. See here, a fountain is located dash the game complex. Once again, a fountain is located dash the game complex. See, where is fountain located, beta? A fountain is located in front of the game complex. Write down. Second one, The kids swimming pool is dash to the games complex. See, where is located beta? Beside the games complex. Now third one, the number of light poles to which 4 lights are fixed is dash. See, the number of light poles to which 4 lights are fixed. So 4 lights are fixed in each pole. So you can find out number of poles. See, observe how many are there beta? One pole, one light pole has 4 lights. See here, how many 4 lights pole are there here? 2 poles beta. 2 poles. Each pole has 4 lights. Okay, did you understand? Now next, write down everybody. Gas cars can be seen in this picture. See here, how many cars are there? Here, 2 cars are moving beta, then you can write 2. Now fifth one, roads are lights on dash sides of the games complex. See, roads are lighted on dash sides of the games complex. See, all sides. See, this is the games complex. All sides. See here, roads are light on all sides. All poles, 4 sides. The next page number 63. Rohan's parents purchased a new flat in Indira Towers. Rohan sent the plan of their new flat to his friend. This map shows the arrangement of all the objects inside the house. Such maps are known as floor maps. Once again, Rohan's parents purchased a new flat in Indira Towers. Rohan sent the plan of their new flat to his friend. The map shows the arrangement of all the objects inside the house. Such maps are known as floor maps. See here, this is the given floor map figure. Observe and write the answers. See here, first fill in the blank. There are dash bedrooms in the house. How many bedrooms are there, beta? See here. See, 1, 2, 3 bedrooms, beta. Write down, everybody. 3. Now second one. The kitchen is located to the dash side of the entrance. While entering the house. So which side, beta? Right side. Now third one. The number of paintings on the walls is. How many paintings are there, beta? See here. 1, 2, 3 paintings, beta. 1, 2, 3. Next, fourth one. There are dash bathrooms in the house. How many bathrooms, beta? 3 bathrooms. Write down. Now next one, fifth one. Each bathroom is connected to a dash. Each bathroom is connected to a bedroom. Sixth one, the total number of chairs in all the balconies together is. The total number of chairs in all the balconies together is. How many chairs better? 3 chairs. Seventh one. There are dash chairs around the dining table. How many chairs better? 8 chairs. Now next, page number 64. So everybody observe carefully. Give the answer correct. See, this is the given map. Rohan wanted to explain the route map from the school to his new flat in Indira Towers so that his friends can come easily. Help him by observing the area plan of that locality. See here, from the school, his friends have to face towards to the dash, walk straight, take a dash turn after RB College, walk a bit further and take a dash turn after the auditorium and walk dash to reach Rohan's flat. See here, from the school, his friends have to face towards the dash, walk straight, take a dash turn after RB College. Walk a bit further and take a dash turn after the auditorium. And walk dash to reach Rohan's flat. See here, from the school, the pens have to face towards dash walk. See here, your picture, north, south, west, east given. N for north, S for south, W for west, E for east given. See here, first one, from the school the pens have to face towards to the north walk. North walk straight, take a left turn. Left turn after RB College. Walk a bit further and take a dash turn. See here, right turn. So observe carefully, right turn. After the auditorium, walk and straight to reach Rohan's flat. Straight to reach Rohan's flat. Write down everybody. ये स्कूल ఉంటారు స్టార్ట్ చేసిన తెచ్చుకొని ఉంటారు రోజు తీసుకుంటారు Now next did you understand? అర్థమైంది ఇది. Now second one, so I can write answer directly. Okay. The bus station is located direct dash to the tower opposite. Third one, from the train station we have to across the hospital to reach the dash hall. See here railway station. So across the railway station to reach meeting hall beta. Fourth one, Lata flats are located on the dash side of the hospital. See here, Lata flats is there. Lata flats are located on the dash side of the hospital, north side. Now fifth one, IRIS hotel is located to the dash side of the locality. See here, west side. Sixth one, clubhouse is dash the RB school. Behind, వెనకాల ఉంది బేట. So you can write behind. Seventh one, the dash is located on the southern side of the RB school. So town hall. Eighth one, walks towards south from the train station, take a right turn after RB college and a left turn after the cine complex and game center and walk a bit further to reach dash city mall. Write down everybody. Okay, thank you to all. Thank you everybody.